Why is it that it is too cold at night? It feels colder at night because the sun, our primary heat source, is gone, allowing the ground and air to release stored energy back into space through a process called radiation cooling. This drop is often sharpest under clear, cloudless skies, which acts as a blanket. Key reasons for nighttime cold. No solar radiation. Once the sun sets, the earth stops receiving incoming heat and starts cooling down rapidly. Radiational cooling. The ground radiates the heat it absorbed during the day, which escapes into the atmosphere. This process is fastest when there are no clouds to reflect that heat back down, explain expert at the NWS Louisville. Cold air sinking. Cold air is denser and heavier than warm air, so it sinks down, making it feel colder near the ground. Physiological factors. Your body metabolism naturally slows down at night, decreasing your body temperature. Environmental factors. In addition to these points, a simple way to feel warmer is by checking your home for drops near windows and using appropriate bedding. Why you might feel it more. Body type. Low body mass index means less body fat for insulation. Health condition. Anemia, hypothyroidism, or poor circulation can reduce your tolerance to cold, notes WebMD. Sleep deprivation, not getting enough rest, can lower your body's ability to maintain heat. To stay warmer, ensure you are drinking enough water during the day, as dehydration can affect your circulation and make you feel colder. As and it says, Bin Mick. This is Vanessa Vegas Daily Vlog. Thank you for watching. And until next time,